Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix message fail to send on your Android phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's dive right into it. Very first thing is you want to pull down that top menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it off as well. And then move to another location where you have good cellular signal, and then go ahead and try. Now, another thing you want to check out is the number. Make sure the number is correct. So you want to tap on the contact and make sure that number you have is correct. Sometimes incorrect recipient number is going to cause issues for the message not to go through. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is your settings. So you're going to tap on your profile with the three icons, and then you're going to look at your message settings. And then message settings, you're going to look at RCS chat. Now, of course, you want to use RCS chat, but sometimes you need to go ahead and turn this off and then temporarily try, and then if it works, just you can turn that back on, as RCS sometimes can cause issues with it. And you also may see options just to automatically resend text as SMS and MMS. You also want to turn this on if it's possible for you as well. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is clear the cache for your message app. So you're going to go into your settings and then go to apps, and then look for your messaging app that you use. So you can search for it as well, but you can also scroll down and find the app that you use for messaging. Here, let's go ahead and find our message app. So I go down here to look for it, and I'll find the message app, for example. And then you're going to go ahead and tap on storage and then clear cache, and then go ahead and try again one more time. Now, if you're still having the issue, you want to make sure your cellular SIM card is working properly. So if you have a physical SIM card, you want to basically take the SIM card out, reinsert it back in to your device to make sure that it is being read correctly. So you take a SIM ejector tool and then go ahead and try to remove it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you take a SIM ejector tool like this, or a paper clip. Look for the SIM tray, usually the bottom, top, or the side, depending on your Android phone. And for a moment, you're going to go ahead and just take the SIM card out. Make sure the SIM card is in good shape, not damaged or broken, and then reinsert it back in. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and retry. You will need to also restart your phone sometimes, depending on the phone, to pick it up. So you can pull down the top menu, click on power, restart, or use the volume down and the side button as well to go ahead and restart your phone. Now, once you have restarted, go ahead and try resending it again. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and this time we're going to go to our general management. You're going to tap on reset, and then we need to do a reset of mobile network setting, and then click on reset setting, enter our passcode or PIN, and then it's going to reset the mobile network setting. It will not delete your data, but an important step to do. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, and then just update your phone software. So you're going to go down here to software update, check if there's an update, go ahead and update your phone as well. And lastly, if none of this is working for you, what you need to go ahead and do is contact your phone carrier to make sure, again, your account is in good standing, there's no issues or outage with the carrier services, and if there's something they need to do, sometimes they need to sync your carrier if you're having any issues with your texting on your account. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.